It's knocking big up your chef.
Woo! For the bone.
Cooking? Get the bag of fish.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. My name is Nick and I'm the Storyboy. Guys, today I'm pretty excited, you know. Pretty soon I'm gonna be leaving this area. Right now I at KFC cul-de-sac by the bus stop there, right under the bus stop to be exact. And today we're going down to Dennery with Arthur from Arthur's Not Restaurant. She reached out to me, you know. She tell me pull up, you know, because she's doing another outdoor cooking. And guys, we're gonna see what her channel is all about and experience how she actually does things. Guys, you could just go ahead and check out her channel. I'll put the name right here. It's Arthur's Not Restaurants. And guys, she has some very nice videos. It's basically about outdoor cooking and trading and exploring and everything good, everything that I actually like. So I'm pretty excited to go around and talk along for today. So in today's video, we're gonna see how she actually does things. I'm actually waiting for SL for Devon. We're going down together, and then after that what we're gonna do, come back up and then go and check on and then I will go home and check on my family. But guys, without further ado, let me just go ahead and run this intro.
All we need is just a chance.
Yes, mommy, the devil is a liar.
Show them what we can do.
SL in the building one time, SL. He talking about his bike dirty. Yes, in Becky. Okay, Becky not so dirty.
Oh, Becky not dirty. SL needs
Oh, you break your thing.
a mud guard.
How you break that?
Yeah, I just slide it and wash it.
Eh.
Is that a crack already?
Yeah, I'll get a new one, eh?
Are we ready for the room whenever you're ready? Okay, guys?
Yeah, man, guys. So we're going down. We're going to check Arthur. Oh, yeah, I don't have lights, eh? Yeah, that right. Guys, and if you want to know what happened to my lights, I'll give you the rundown in the next video. There we go.
On the route.
Make them and themselves. How my fuse that burn and it burned my lights.
Oh.
So one of my indicators alone not working. Huh?
That's the next fuse we needed.
I put a fuse but the lights burn already. So I have to buy new lights. me see. We reached Dennery. Yes, I slow it down, slow it down. Back brakes, let's go. Back brakes, yes I, yes I. I said we forgot the place, man. Hey guys, we have arrived and SL forgot where the place is. SL going right up there. Yeah, for Dennery food, right?
Bikes we have done.
But I don't know what I'm to you, boy. I see what SL want me to practice my wheelie, man. I see SL want me to practice my wheelie, man.
That loose,
The boat there?
yeah, I feel tight. Yes, yeah, I have to push it back too.
I supposed to have my 10 if when you come back you tighten it.
You just have to make sure sometimes that can just fly on you.
Yeah. Well, I'll go. Let me just. SL play smart swim trunks and things. SL they put me on. SL they put me on,
I
y'all.
have to tell you that?
Yes. Yes. You smarter than me, boy. I give it to
see
you.
me taking a nice dip today.
And I go deep today. Guys, that's sad. That's really freaking sad. Eh? Anyways, guys, let's go. And we will reach this place.
We're in Brazil right now.
Key Brazil. I wonder if I lock my neck on the bike. That's them making all that noise? I don't hear her voice yet.
How they work,
Hey?
yeah, I remember it have a big thing at the top.
The big.
And then we were jumping.
We're jumping lower down.
Lower down,
Yeah. Yeah, must see. Trad Life going to be available. I'm not recording you this time. Every time I record you, you just fall. Yeah, me see. Trad Life. New merch dropping very, 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 very soon. And I am truly sorry about the anticipated long wait. But yes, new merch dropping very, 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 very soon. This is the old one. This one was the trial and error. You check the vibe. Yeah. But you know they cut there, they put all that pathway wasn't so the last time we come there.
yeah.
There was just dirt and stone. Oh, they're not them, huh? They're not Alpha.
But to me, you have to pick up, guy. That's what I was asking you. If
No.
You need to, we go just call until every day.
Call her and see. I hope she's not a different spot we don't know about.
Oh, I know.
Hey guys, this is the spot we were the last time.
I guess it's this.
They say, guys, we have some people up there. They say triggers and an egg. Yeah, let me see. Let me see if Alpha is up. Arthur! I was going back at my home, eh? Guys, we find her. I come in here asking if it have anybody else. Tell me it have triggers and an egg.
And an egg.
And be disrespectful.
Yeah, you say Rasta.
Yeah, triggers and an egg. Yeah, let me see, I have arrived. Big up yourself there one time after. See the Jack showing off his swim trunks. That ain't nothing. Life good, you know. Today is me, tomorrow is you.
You know I get that because I got a sling trunk.
Wait, what I go to tell you there? You lucky children that's listen to me. That's watch my videos. You lucky, yeah. Yeah, Missy. Hey, I see today you bring the kids today.
Yeah, I didn't.
Because I checking like I come in there. Why y'all not making so much noise? Y'all behaving because the kids here. That good, that good.
People they on the hustle, you know, rush out is a breeder, so we have to get his vibe going. Now Greggy, big up yourself one time, girl.
Don't know already.
Yeah, you still have to go on. Yeah, man.
Mama. No. Yeah, Missy, remember what I told you all guys today is all about Alpha and her channel and her people. What the tamarind balls?
Yeah,
You eating all? None for me?
yeah, people.
I reached just in time, Missy. See the food there sizzling, eh?
Man. Yeah, man.
Who's the chef?
Hey.
Who's the chef? She does the chef?
Yeah, one time.
So you guys make people barbie on the channel?
What's her name?
Huh? What's her name? Introduce yourself.
My name is Khadija.
What? What kind of attitude is that? I have young viewers. Say that nicer for me. What's your name?
My name is Khadija. They call me Chef. My friends call me Pong Them Young.
I want to kiss the cook.
Come.
Kiss the cook. Oh yeah.
What shall we do that?
You lucky I have respect for you, you know. You just lucky. Hey, me say, look the breadfruit there. That modern. So it's supposed to look.
Yeah.
Only in St. Lucia.
Like cold.
Which only in St. Lucia? Let's try ask Gassa.
Only in St. Lucia.
It's just that in Dominica it doesn't look so burnt.
Well, when you eat
So
that,
if
it's
they
fine.
give it up.
Hey, me say the pressure of that heat there, it's really strong, eh? And you sit down so close to that?
Yeah, people.
Everywhere.
Breadfruit time and the breadfruit time.
Everywhere they go, guys, they live in their trademark. A couple stones with some burnt wood in it.
Yeah, man. There's our trademark. After that,
Mama. Storyboy, Nick and Devon.
Blazer Gemini. Like and subscribe to my music. Big up yourself,
Which
guys.
music?
sing a song.
I got a song. It's called No Santa by Blaze.
Give me a verse. Give me a verse.
Let me give you a verse. Come in at the room and take off your drawers. Take off your drawers. Kakish if you're woman, you know me not pass. You know me not pass. Swear it was Christmas, no Santa Claus. No Santa Claus. She swear it was Christmas, but no Santa Claus. Voodoo doom them. Big up. 758, we great. St. Lucia, rapping for the future. Big up Blazer Gemini. Got some content coming out for you soon.
Guys, you know what?
Greasy Madras
Check out
one
his
time,
Instagram. It's just his name, Devon Lane.
Eke.
You don't need the flat backside dancers.
No. All backside is backside. You can't have a front side if you don't have a backside.
Guys, it's a vibe. Guys, remember go and check out her channel after Nutless Strands. They tried to keep her down by hacking her channel, but she got it back. After want me to go and check out the people pot with her.
You know? Yeah, man. Them fellas are fish guts, but them fellas doesn't stew their fish. Them fellas eat roast and eat that one time. Yes, yes, you eat them one time.
One time, mama. Let me zoom on that there.
Of course. Yes,
You see
yes.
the people eating a large day. They're looking all nice.
And they have lobby there, they have thing. Watch your feet there.
No, I'm not going too close to that there.
Look at there, you see it? In the lobby there. Right there.
Oh, there's a lobby there. In the corner there. Guys, right there.
Yeah, Dennery massive. Big up yourself one time.
Guys, you don't know one time they have everybody there. That's what we were the last time we came in. That's where we were chilling out there in that nice pool there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And to take the fishing.
Hey, may say 2 days a roast breadfruit day, man.
It's a roast breadfruit day. Yeah.
After you was in the people ears, man.
Yeah, man.
You was in the people ears.
My mind.
And guys, this is where Devon went and slid down into that basket like a little child.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna get a piece to throw in the water.
The water looking higher.
It is. It looking better.
It was lower than last time.
Guy, I think I'll go with my pencil and go in that water there. That water, me see that water too nice. That water.
Take out your wet boxes and
Look my boxes are full because I'm going out with my boxes. Look my boxes are full.
The meme, when your boxer sees you buy new bike pads.
That is a business, the bike pass.
So your boxer watching you. Buy new bike pads.
He go watch me on Friday doing this again too. Yeah. Drink responsibly, guys. Drink responsibly. Let me see how them people they're preparing their food.
That is what they call in the suskai, eh? And in Dennery, they doesn't put no water in it. It's straight oil.
So what is that? I don't know what is that.
Suskai.
What is-
Onions, garlic, pepper. You could put a little vinegar, but no water.
No
Yeah?
water?
Yeah. In ancillary, we just put water in it and then we just dip the vibe in it. But
Hey, see that? Me see you using his hand there.
yeah, man.
Meat was born in a while. Tarzan is made fun. Huh?
Nice Kingsley. We got Kingsley one time.
Hey.
The chef.
I see me just grab that there if he's honey.
So people enjoy, eh? Yeah, man. Have a seat, you know, and relax, enjoy it. Yeah, man. Big up Florida one time.
So guys, remember what I tell you all. I don't tell you all. I have a nice vibe. Check it for yourself in person.
Yeah, people. Yeah,
Boy.
no pure, man. I'm happy to be from St. Lucia.
Hey, family and friends, come back down here. Come down for jazz. It's jazz time. Let's
Just
go and
start
play the
already. Now you're
saxophone.
telling them come down. It's have another bass over there. Over
Let me
there.
tell you something.
You go there already?
Jazz is coming, guys.
You want to go there now? Let's go.
Jazz is coming.
Me hold my bottle.
Listen,
You're keeping your bottles, right? Alpha, you're keeping your bottles.
Yeah. How does it taste? How does it taste? Good. I feel you.
Oi,
My name
Yeah,
ain't
man.
Ronald.
you're keeping your bottles. You're keeping the bottles.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
That's a good point.
Have a back pocket. No, you say you're going over there and see it. Let's go.
Yeah, people.
Let's go. Oi, Devon. Hold that for me a while. I'm gonna walk in the water, but I'm gonna try to pull up the fence.
So DJ, you have to
Okay.
take care of the
You going and walk in the water or on the water?
If you don't see no over there, I might have to walk in the water. Eh?
You have to walk on it.
Yeah.
So Storyboy is getting ready, guys, to go in the water.
Guys, you don't know already. Guys, I look fine, right? Remember,
Where we were a while ago.
Shop Storyboy Apparel. We have our Trad Life dropping on Friday. Check me out on Instagram. Guys, you don't know already. This is my belly big. I'm working on it. Don't tell me nothing. Go.
Cannibal coming here, so Storyboy have to.
No, Storyboy doesn't. Storyboy doesn't jump
Put it
cannibal.
there, put it there. Cause it's just-
Yes, baby. Aye.
We just come from there after.
Yeah, I bring it in.
Right up and then
So you're going to do it without me?
Yeah.
wipe the bucket.
But listen to that.
Just let's go, you know.
Nobody should want to go. She can stay there.
Oh yeah, maybe.
That sliding.
She does always fall.
That
So-
sliding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I will
Be careful. I have just reminding you all I have you all on camera. Please don't fall.
Yes.
I will shout it.
You staying there, right?
I will shout it.
Only bad.
What if I fall? Devon, you coming right?
Yes, I am. I'm right behind you guys.
Guys, I already used to fall every time I used to go gardening with my father.
Let's rest that here. And come back for it. Aye.
And you lucky this one was water.
Yeah. It's an adventure. Yeah, Devon taking his time because he don't want to fall.
Yes, that's it, I'm sorry. I go past where the water is the shallowest. Not only your foot. Yeah, Missy, like I told you, it's a vibe when you come with Apple. Just by checking out her channel, you're going and see just how much vibes she have and how she brings people together. You check it.
This is where we came from. All kind of trad, Missy. All kind of trad. Not all kind of sad. All kind of trad.
All under my foot. That's it, innit?
You feeling nice, eh? You feeling nice, eh? Just put yourself light. Yourself. Aye. So walking on how much fuck up stones. Don't mind my language. Nick might have to bleep that out. Eee, oh, hair is very nice. Look at that. That's like a small cave. Trying it. Yeah. It's a lot. Oh, look at that little whirlpool. Ooh, that looks nice. I come from afar there. I have to pass in the water. Oh, it's really slippery. Slippery when wet. Huh? Oi, under my foot finish. Eh?
I thought you say nice.
It's nice, but it finish. Ooh, look at that booty. Look at that booty.
Guys, I'll take over now and tell me what the hell did Devon just say? Because I don't know what Devon was talking to you all about. Hey, Missy. Real adventure with Afro Nut restaurants.
Yeah, man.
Mama.
We are there, we are come on, fishing, believe you.
Missy, have all that going up there again? Guys, I regret to say the first time I come here, I didn't come here. The fishes, that's what you call mealy. Mealy, you all call it, right?
Yeah.
Mealy, okay, so it's the same name with Dominica. Yeah. So guys, you see, that's why they call St. Lucia the sister island. Boy, what if I fall? Whoa! Okay! Okay, short time. No way, I'm not falling. I'm not falling. Unfallable. That's who I am. Unfallable. Suction cup. Engage.
The outside people, that's my fish tank coming here. One time people, because you know Greg cannot make it. Greg is there.
Which one is Greg? The short one?
Yeah, he's
The one with all the action?
Yep, but
Okay.
on our next vlog, definitely Greg is going to be here, you know. We got ourselves one time.
Okay guys, Devon is holding on. He's still there with us.
Come on, fishy.
Mama, guys, I think if I go trading with them people more often, I go lose the belly. Because our. How? And the girl walking on the stone like she have suction on her toes, man. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so that's the big bass eh? How we all reach the other one? There? So why you do just cross over there? They're not deep. Look at that. I seen dirt over there. There.
They're very deep.
Well, I'll pass on it. That edge they're
You
looking
have to
like.
pass on the edge. Give me your phone. Go and cross on the edge.
If I fall.
You're not going to fall. Khadija can do it.
Look. Khadija looking like she could balance. She big, but she could balance.
Yeah, man.
One thing I can balance on is the bike.
Huh?
Okay.
At the back there, go. You full of zafe.
Now I fall. Now, okay. So tired. I survived. Wait, that looking deep. Now to see the camera woman fall now. I laughing. Is if she that deep? We should have come here, man. The last time.
Where that deep that?
There. They want you to watch that, man. Look, you watch that. So after you know all of these places,
Yeah.
all holding solution, you know it.
Our.
Huh?
We just hunting the place.
But you know majority of the places.
Yeah.
Okay, when you go in and try, just check me.
We going under the
I'll find
bush.
somebody to watch my son, and I'll bring my girl.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we go have to do that. Even though I could always be in the house, even though they have to bribe her for me to come there.
Come on, fishing, we need you.
I have to bribe. What the other pool is that?
No, that's 2. 1, 2.
You say you have another one again, eh?
Look it.
Oh! But I'm not looking like a food, I'm not looking like a prostitute. That one you can go in.
There's a trail there.
Guys, let's go.
To the garden.
Guys, I'm going to give you all a challenge. If you all give this video 100 likes, I go in and dive in that, and I go in all under the precipice there.
You can swim, Storyboy?
Yeah, man, I can swim.
Oh, okay.
So, guys, remember, 100 likes, I come in back here, and we go in and meet the anacondas under that hole there. Thank you. Let's go.
Right here.
Oh, that's looking scary.
You going higher?
But me say it have vehicles that's coming.
You can go higher for you get lost in the You get lost in the go higher.
Hour. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm holding the phone for Storyboy. You know, it's apples not less chance. You know? Yeah, man.
Because I really checking like where that road leading, how a road coming like here.
That's up there looking like, boy, what?
Borderlands.
Hold on. Let me see.
Borderlands in Dennery?
Looking like, boy. Yeah, man. Borderlands in Dennery.
Hey. Oi, I not Lucian, eh? So don't blame me. What you going and see there? Guys, watch how the girl running in this stone there. She could be a criminal, eh? She could be a thief. She running on this stone there like nothing, eh? Yeah?
As if I feel like the water, the rice is sparkling up there like you have more things. But I feel we have to go river hunting. You know?
Once you go in, just check me.
This season I want to go and look for crabs. You cannot join me looking for crabs.
Why?
We're going to be going back up the road. You see where we went on the beam?
Which beam?
Just before the waterfall, right, bro? Y'all? Beam both well.
Well, if you're going and hunt crabs, I'm not coming, eh? But if you're going on another adventure, surely.
You didn't see what happened to us in our video?
I saw him. I saw that. But you also didn't care.
It was raining?
It was raining when we came. You know,
Oh shit, and it was by the river.
no, it was like that. It was sunny. But then
It wasn't sunny. From the beginning of your video, rain was falling. Don't come and say it was sunny.
What is that? It was sunny, right? It was sunny.
It was not sunny. I was watching the video. It had drizzle.
Yes.
The videos of selling you out. Huh?
And then when you get there, boy, you see when the fish cook, imagine the rain fall in the plate of water.
Eh.
You should make it with the phone, right?
Yes, I have the phone.
Okay.
Me see I not falling here. What's that noise? Hey, look at leaking water up there.
Yeah.
Wasco, come and check on your pipe. Wasco, come and check on your pipe. They can't break the river. Wasco, come and fix your pipe. This is Dennery by the waterfall. Come and fix it. Y'all doing too much things. So guys, y'all see we sure. And now we're going back by the food there and plate them thing and thing. Yeah, we're going back by the pot and thing. But guys, I don't want to fall there. So I go put it off. Just in case I fall, nobody wouldn't know. Peace! The directions don't get a bag of fish there. I don't know where they sending me up to now. And they say by the water down there. Okay, I see the bag now, I see it. Because I check and I go, what? What directions the man give me there? Guys, look in island bag of fish there. They say they go take it and whoop. Okay. Don't fall, don't fall. Okay. So guys, we get the bag of fish. I go climb the rock there. Let's go climb the rock there. Look it up there, look at grill up there. That's your domain there.
I want free fish in that and 3%.
Look at seasoning there.
Seasoning there one time. May say them people like everything there. Hey, what I wear, Dennery? Hey, may say. Big up yourself, eh? Big up Dennery one time, eh? You don't know.
Organize yourself on the drink, season your fish, and roasting your fish.
Oi, after you go come and season the fish and thing there.
Yeah, man.
That's not me, that is you. Guys, you know, peace out. No, let's look for my friend. What is Heineken is there? Yeah, man. Ah, me.
So guys, we get seasoning.
We get seasoning,
We get
drinks, we get fish. Hold on. I go take the next one there. Okay. Wait, where Devon? I go take a Guinness for Devon.
That's not Heineken Zero. Yeah, we have one.
That's not my friend. That's not for me. Okay. Guys, you don't know I check for Devon there. That Guinness is Devon friend.
Say that again.
apples, not less strong.
Not less.
Not less. K-N-O-T.
Oh, not less. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I may say, big up yourself one time again, eh? One time, check out my YouTube channel, Storyboy Nick. Yeah, man. Yeah, and I still think of you guys, sir.
Yeah.
You leave all the load for us. Huh? Leave all the load for us. They give us fish, they give us drinks. I know it's Heineken, I'm Guinness you this drink. I bring a Guinness for you. Mama. Now they give us seasoning too.
Yeah. Big up Dennery one time,
So,
people. We got a grill.
we chef again, you? Chef, we bring work for you, eh?
One time. We got drinks one time.
Oi.
Knuckleheads one time. Yeah, fish.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
see.
man. We lad. People in Dennery, we lad.
Eh. That is the plantain, that roast up there? That is my friend there, boy. Roast plantain, eh?
They saw that meat already yet?
Yeah. I think as the chef, we'll be chef there.
Chef, we bring chicken for you to check on there.
That's why you bring fish, not chicken.
I'm not dealing with fish.
You're not dealing with fish? That's what best.
That is why I say chicken.
Oh, we can chicken.
Don't say I tell her we have fish for her. She say no, I tell her we have chicken.
Why you not dealing with fish, my girl? You not eating fish?
You don't like fish? And you resort by the beach? Yeah, Missy, I have to go in and set that up there because the chef say she not doing that. I have to go work on it there.
So what you need again? You need nothing again. Just let it get hot.
In the plastic.
In the plastic.
Yeah. You allergic to fish? You allergic to fish? You just don't like fish? Where are you from? Mikud. Okay. I hope you're not lying, eh? Okay.
I see cherries on that guy, cherries.
We putting in some season they give us. Yeah, that is seasoning.
That is cherries.
And then we putting in more seasoning.
Cherries. Yeah. We have some peppers there. Look, we have some seasoning. We have bring salt, sir. But
Devon, do me the honors. Open that for me. Me say the way Devon is open that for me, boy. Let me see if that batch is in the bay I get there.
yeah, man. No, I go put this celery and thing in the little fish guys.
That Heineken knocking.
We go eat a proper fish. Yeah. Take the breadfruit.
So guys, after intended to do
yeah.
roast breadfruit with what are they again?
Roast plantain
And pork. And pork, but now look, she adding grilled fish.
And big fish again, eh?
Kawang. Me say guys,
yeah.
that making me feel like to go on fishy, boy.
That's what it.
Let's go.
Guineas for you. What am I giving? Put in the cooler. Yeah. We're grilling.
And it coming along nice. It burning your eyes, sir, because you quarreling. It burning your eyes, sir, because you quarreling. Does that eating fish eat pork too?
I check in on the spot there one time, eh?
Yeah, me see, guys, you see how Alpha does run the show there? I like the vibe. Guys, subscribe to Alpha Not Less Trends right now. Click out from this video, go to her channel, subscribe, come back, finish watch my video, and then go back on hers. You then check, guys.
Y'all, yeah, Storyboy needs this girl what to do, eh?
Instructions.
Check out Storyboy and come out.
Boy, that freaking Heineken.
I don't know how y'all eating all that.
In the stomach. You see that's why we have sack push that size.
You'll have a sack. I'm offended by that.
You offended by that? Well, that's you, eh? Put down your pouch. Yeah, me see.
So we have to eat for her. We eating for her.
Why she cannot eat?
Let me ask you to eat foodie.
Guys, so far I enjoyed this. It's been great. Guys, I will do more with her. Will do. You want what?
I need a ride on a bike to go back. Just drop me in the gap.
SL go hook you up. My girl look me permission to put girl on the bike today.
You'll give me a ride, shop.
Yeah, I have to get permission. Yeah. Because already she was vexed with me today there. I bribe her, I tell her I go give her this and that. And then I escape.
Yeah, you just buy time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and you don't even know where Bordile is?
No. How am I supposed to know where Bordile is?
Then,
but I don't know. Yeah, me say what's that? If I want how the ad going, you have to tell her no, it's not, so it's going wrong. Guys, big up Cuts one time. Head down to Cuts Unicoma and purchase yourself your. What it's saying? Yeah, boy. Guys, you done already? Right now, guys, if you do not own a motorcycle and you want one, head down to Cost Unicoma right now.
I'm gonna do that.
And purchase yourself your very own AKT. What we have for you right now is the 250 TT Dragon and the RZ scooters. Guys, check them out right now. You don't know.
And I do remember.
Yeah, me say right now we're just cooling out, waiting for the fish to feed. It's sizzle on the grill there. I think it's somewhere there. Yeah.
After that, may say chow down. Yeah, may say big up our first after not restaurant. Once again, big up Devon Blaze. Check him out on Instagram, Devon Lane. Yeah, may say we flipping the fish there. Oh, the fish looking good. What's that fish there? Mama, kawang. Yes, the man come and tell us how to just work it out there. I feel so, eh? Because we don't sit down there and start talking away. You see that cooking up there, that overcooking? You need help, man. You see, you flip that there like a real chef, eh? You see, the fella over there do it. They don't have much fire.
Yes, they don't have much fire.
Put that over there, because that one looking like it belly. Put it there. And bring that one closer.
Yeah, people.
Yeah, man, the way them fellas grabbing that with their hand, they're not afraid of eater, boy.
Yeah. We checking it there one time.
Yeah, me say, guys, I don't raise up making pork. You check it when I raise up. It's either two things we're cooking by the river. It's either we make a rice or we make a one pot. So I have to take rice or I have to take flour. Taste it. Tell us how it stay there.
Yeah, that there.
Hey, go burn your mouth. Voas.
Moving on the bone, eh?
It's good.
It's
Me see, mama. See that?
good. I just moving on the bone.
Okay, let's listen to Chef. Chef, what you have to say?
Make her taste the sauce.
The sauce good because she tasted it a while ago.
You see that?
Uncle want to do that.
Yes. It's there. What to keep Florida Canada? Come much yes,
And what's that, me say?
come back in
Devon rich in the water. And I rich because I have no swim from. One thing she behind the shop, innit?
Yeah. Yeah, giving up. Say, who can I see?
Hey. Yeah, me say the fish almost done. If it was up to us, the fish burn. Because we had already sit down there.
In the next 2 minutes, yeah, I'll be there.
In the next 2 minutes? Mama. Guys, I came here today. I'm super happy. And I'm glad to say that we're going to be doing more of these adventures. Guys, subscribe to the channel and also subscribe to After Nutless Strands. Boom. Yeah, miss you. So the food is off it then.
We have we go set it up. We are moving it, we just cutting it in half,
No, strip it, yeah.
and then we
Strip it, take it right. Let me show you.
making it make the plate.
Yeah, so you'll strip it in at the back there. Take it right. And you strip it. When you strip it,
Me, I know they script it.
And to make a plate.
yeah, but it's just the cold stick.
Yeah, it's just the cold.
So when you take out the cold, you get the original skin. And good to go. Get it? So you strip it.
Me see my children have to raise up in them thing there. My children raising up in them fast life
You
fuckery.
strip it till you get that. Get it?
Yeah, man. You don't know, guys. She says Sue Sky she making there.
Yeah.
The same thing the fellas make down there.
Yeah. We just missing a little salt.
But you have salt there.
Yeah, we have salt.
Yeah, me say we have everything we need there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me see if you can see there, the partner teach me how to scrape the
Yeah, man.
breadfruit there. If you want to see that, go and check out After Nutless Strands. You go see it on the channel there. Boom. Big up After Nutless Strands right Tom. Big up Chef down there, like down there, the blue top and the glasses down there. Check it there already. Yeah, me see any first bite. Let me tell you how it is.
glasses.
It's knocking. Big up you, Chef. Big up you. It's knocking. Yeah, man. Now, sit my ass down.
and full my stomach.
Bad boy. Yeah, man.
Devon, what you're telling me about how it cook?
Let's go so long and see you all.
Devon, you eat all the pork already?
Yeah. That's the first thing I eat.
Oh, you may say I lie that the pork so nice, eh? But I don't want to eat all the pork and then just stay there with the breadfruit. So I try to eat the breadfruit. Oh, boy, the pork in there, boy. Me see, I love that so much, eh? Outdoor cooking with half a nut restaurant. Watching Arthur's video, and I used to be checking like, I wonder if that food nice for true. Catch me, mama.
Yeah, finger licking, but it's not KFC. Eh?
Mama.
That's right. Finger licking good, but it's not KFC.
Guys, the only thing is, water for the bone. If it do not bone, messy, it's good.
C'est bon. C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Trad life. All kind of trad.
Yeah, the woman self.
Yeah.
She said the food put its own ingredients. It's too nice.
Yeah.
Guys, let me show you the aftermath. SL says a cat that eat that, boy.
Cut that passing that.
Hey, look, it have another piece of fish there. I didn't see that.
The cat eat everything now. Look another.
Where? There? Oh, that one have a big piece of bone. In fact, let me take out the bone.
You know,
Move the bone.
The same thing we just say when we watching colors and them. If the food does really have taste, cause you like.
No boy, guys, I used to say. I wonder if the human food have taste for true.
Yeah, man.
And now I eat that there, boy, flavorful. Mama, actually, you should open a business, man.
I sold a couple bones, but I can.
Yeah, bread in a bit of bag, not bread.
Like Tony and Queen.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, your stomach full, your energy now. Girl, you pretty like?
But you could have put a stick back in the pen for me. You what? You could have put the pork back in the pen for me. How? Like as you have that new one, you put in the pen back.
Hey, your stomach. A while ago, she said a stack pork doesn't eat all that. And now it want more?
Oh!
Thank you, wash my hand. Like a mess.
If his stomach full. Hey guys, if y'all think my plate clean, watch SL plate. SL plate, the bone not even there. Yeah, me see, guys, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed today.
Don't mind them.
Yeah, me see. Guys, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You don't know. No, me and SL hitting the road already there because we have to go back up. But after still here doing a thing, guys, if you want to see the rest of the video and more people just pull up, so it's pretty much more exciting. So go ahead, guys, and check out her YouTube channel, After Not Less Trans, and you will see the pieces that I did not include in this video. Big up to her and peace out. Closing remarks.
All kind of trad. Trad life. Big up yourself. Same speed.
Let's go, Missy.